very excited here today. So I'm Simon, so from IBM. So I'm in charge of developer, software developer. I'm not developer advocate anymore.
Anymore?
Anymore, yeah.
Usually the other way around.
Yeah. So thank you for listening today. So I have some questions. So where are you from today? So not Japan. So right hand. Are you from the United States?
Yeah, that's me.
From Europe? No, nobody. And from as an Asia country, such like China, Singapore, or Korea. Right hand. Oh, no? Oh, a lot of Japanese. I should say in Japanese. Yeah, it's okay. Not joking. So because I'm a little afraid. So because this is what for first time in English presentation. So and I was very afraid about whether I should this presentation or not. So because I'm not developer advocate anymore, but so I decided to presentation this time because I want to share my experience with my our AI community experience. So that's my presentation is title is why AI community stay stable for 2 years. So are you in charge of developer relationship job right now? Or are you guys developers? Oh, thank you. Oh, other person. What's working? Marketing. Marketing text. Okay, thank you. Many of I don't understand. So let's get to my presentation. So yeah. So quiz. What is this? Do you know IBM Watson?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. 2011. So IBM Watson defeat human quiz champion in TV show Jeopardy. After 3 years after, so IBM provide this Watson API on IBM Cloud. So do you know? Do you use IBM Watson API already? Right hand? Nobody. That's IBM. So I explain a little about Watson. The center of character is not Watson. This is a mascot character of Unity, 3D game engine mascot. Because last year IBM and Unity partnership, and the Unity plugin can use IBM API, and so IBM is not AI designed so artificial intelligence, so augmented intelligence, so that expands human intelligence to by a computer, and so this is mapping from mouse and eye and brain and heart to each function. For example, Watson can make digital voice and recognition, human voice, and we can build chatbot with assistant, and we can store knowledge base on discovery. And other side, so from eye, so Watson recognize visual, and from heart to is so personality insight. So you write down some like a Twitter or blogs. So Watson understand what's your personality. And last year, so project debater is occurred. So do you know project debater? Alright. So finally, AI is to understand so what they say. So we can debate so from computer. Then we developer can easily to develop AI application. I don't think so, because so there are many AI functions, but also there is so many problems. So I write the developer community for AI that names Wednesday Watson Cafe, and already we hold meetup over 20 times. And additionally, surprise, our community write the book. 2 weeks later, so March 20th, so we released so about Watson development beginner for beginner. Yeah, that's the result of our community. So my name is Simon. I'm now software developer using Watson API and mobile application. So if there is no community in AI era, so I think so there are few useful information on the web. Since AI is very important about data and the knowledge, but this information is already confidential. And there are few guys so already experienced developer and share each other. And finally, so in the future, near the future, so we acquired AI tech skill, maybe. For example, IBM Watson, so AI technology architecture is changed so fast. In 2015, this component is Watson API, but 2 years ago, dramatically changed, and we have to migrate. So and we have to build a new skill, and that's difficult to develop AI application. So in 2017, so I worked at the IBM Blue Hub in startup incubation program, and this is so one of startup company made it a chatbot application for doctors using IBM Watson. And this program supports startup CTO, and the left side man is so Watson expert. He is not so IBM employee, but so he already wrote 2 books of Watson. And we discussed other day. So the CTO said, I want to share our experience and some other developer. So that's a good idea. So we decided to write a committee that time. This spring is Compass. Do you know Compass? Oh, thank you. Just such like event, right? And so we built so meetup, but for the first time, 20 attendees come, but decrease monthly, and for the first time, so less than 10 attendees. Because so we don't have so carry community, and so we change our strategy. So I will have collaborate co-working space cover, and so they organize so community, and they rent venue. This community Wednesday Watson Cafe is every month. Last weekend, Wednesday, so we held meetup and invite guest speaker using IBM Watson as their product and service, and attendees are also using Watson. The venue is a co-working space, so feel free to relax. Take off shoes and no table, because so easy to move, sit, and know each other. That's a very comfortable space. So we held meetups in 2017. So very good experience. So that's good for me. So end of the year, so we got panel discussion, and so we frame about the IBM Watson function, or maybe that's good point. But good situation didn't keep long. The trouble will come. We realized how to find new guest speaker first year, and so budget cut. Budget cut is maybe, so our organization changed from marketing team and to other organization, and budget almost cut. That's caused how to keep a venue and how to provide meals. So we thought we give up this community. But the hero occurred. This is Facebook chat group chat. So we invite suddenly 8 people. So they are attendee of our community, and so they offer to carry this community so next year, and they give us help hand, because so they said so what venue is not important, what theme is not important. So that's why they carry is so developer is very good in this community. Two guys, they are IBM champions. IBM champion is not IBM employee, so but authorized by IBM expert, and our community released to them. So next year, 2018, we renew our community when DevRelCon Cafe. The same thing is every month, last weekend meet up and invite guest speaker. But the different point is operation by community member. And a little bit difficulty is the venue always changes. But nowadays, we find a venue with free choice for developer community activity. That's a good point. And so we keep moving. So more than 20 meetups held every month. Some of expressive event I explain. One theme is compare multi-AI. So that's a very popular. Attendee exceed 80 persons, and they should everyone should screen because we compare. So not only Watson, like Azure, Amazon, and Google. Maybe IBM continue to this community. That theme is not authorized, but leave our hand to community bring unique theme. And next one is Nikkei business. So I'm champion, so invite Nikkei business also. And the funny thing is this is Nikkei business. There are many Nikkei business also, and Watson understand their personality, and so he presentation to us this exam, and he write article on Nikkei business. Nikkei business is famous article in Japan. And the third one is on IBM Cloud Community Summit have 5 tracks, and one of track is our Watson Cafe track. I tried about this contribution. So look back 2018. So we have good point and program, and so such like good news is keep every month, and good stuff and friendly stuff, and we make IBM champion. Problem is 会場実施 the venue finding is difficult, and some other things. Business too many business because we invite our community from at the before we use many channel, but after that we can use only Compass. That's go other side. So my conclusion is, so the community activity fits to share experience in the AI era. And the community experience beyond your imagination. So, and last one is never give up. Continuing, so communities bring something miracle, like publish, so writing, so book. That's all. So thank you for listening my presentation.